In a perfect world, we'd always know how others feel about us. The realm of romance, dating, and love is far more from perfect. And fear of rejection or being wounded may cause us to bury our sentiments. How can you tell whether a person likes you if they don't say so themselves? Here are 10 telltale signs that someone likes you, but is hiding it. Number 1. Every modification you make is noticed. You should be aware that individuals pick who and what receives their attention. If someone takes note whenever you alter your appearance, this is a clear indication that they are keeping a careful eye on you. If they find out what it is, they could like you. Number 2. Unknowingly, they're smiling. A person's genuine pleasure, as shown in the form of a smile, is an unmistakable indication that they care for another person. They are enthralled by your company, and they rejoice in all you do. In many circumstances, people may be unaware that they're smiling until you bring it out to them. They'll look away as soon as your eyes contact theirs if they're trying to hide their true feelings. Number 3. They show you admiration. The folks that make us feel good about ourselves are the ones we gravitate toward. Because of this, when someone likes or admires you, they will embrace you often in an effort to boost your confidence and make you feel better about yourself. Their attentiveness to what you wear and their desire to make you feel wonderful, gorgeous, and confident are undeniable qualities. Number 4. Maintains lengthy talks. Conversations might reveal whether someone secretly likes you. When somebody likes you, they want to keep chatting with you. They'll never run out of subjects. You'll notice that your talks are frequently long and that they'll bring up the issues more than half the time. Number 5. They consider your point of view important. While we develop feelings of affection for another person, we begin to share their passions and take their point of view into account when making decisions. When someone has feelings for you, they will take what you have to say into account before making a choice. Number 6. Impress with their abilities. They want to get to know you better. Therefore, the first thing they'll do is inquire about the things that pique your curiosity. Even if something they've never done before, they'll do it for you because they want you to like them. Number 7. They provide a quick response. People make time for the things that are important to them, even when their schedules are full. When somebody likes you, they'll check for and respond to your messages immediately. There is no cause for concern, even if they have 101 unread messages. You are highly valued, and it can be seen in the way that people interact with you. Number 8. You are subjected to their teasing. Getting someone's attention in this manner may seem juvenile, yet it's a strategy that many individuals do when they're attracted to someone. They feel that teasing you will make you need their attention. Therefore, they do it in order to get your attention. To be on the safe side, don't take it personally if someone teases you in this way. In reality, they're only trying to get your attention since they like you so much. Number 9. They want your dating status. Is there someone constantly interested in your relationship? They always want to know what you're doing and with whom. If you're in a relationship, they will ask whether you're pleased. When someone behaves this way, they probably like you and want to see whether you're interested in a relationship before making a move. Number 10. They're nervous. Nervousness appears during job interviews and in front of crushes. When someone hides their appreciation, they're likely not secure in expressing it. Thus, they grow uneasy in your company. If you ever notice any of these signs, you should take action on it. Maybe you find a special person. In the next video, we'll talk about 10 signs someone secretly hates you. Make sure you subscribe to Club Human and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any update from us. Meet you soon. Take care.